Yeah, I haven't told you how to fix, right? There's 4-step process how you can change your mindset. Trust me, stay with me. Just 5 minutes and you know how to modify your mindset. Okay? First, awareness. You can't change something unless you know it exists. You need to first identify whether you're the poor mindset or the rich mindset. Are you the 1, 2, 3, 4 type of people? Do you have faith or you don't have faith? You need to be aware of yourself. That's why we do meditation. When you do meditation, you know who you are. You try to figure out what you feel. You try to figure out what's your thoughts, right? When we do meditation, we monitor our thoughts, we monitor our feeling, we monitor our body, we monitor everything. That's why meditation is very, very important to open your inner self. That's why aware. Become more aware of yourself. Okay? That's why people love to write diary. Diary is a very good way to observe yourself. Okay? Second thing, understand. Understanding where your way of thinking originates is caused by the outside, like circle, friends, or family. So this is different, okay? First, you need to be aware that you have a problem, and then you need to understand where they come from. It can come from your friends. The mindset is generated from your friend, from your family, or your circle. Right? That's why you remember the 3 choices I teach you guys like 2 or 3 lives ago, that you need to change your circle. When you move your circle to a richer circle, you can become the rich mindset. If you just stay in with the poor circle, you will just be influenced by them. If they're smoking, they're drinking, they watch Netflix, they don't read book, you won't do this. You won't read book. You will just smoking. You will just drinking, right? Because you are in the same circle as them. You need to understand where they come from. Okay. And then will be elimination, the association. That means separate yourself from it and choose in the present whether to keep it or let it go. Based on who you are today and where you want to be tomorrow. If you want to make a change and you know that the reason why you are poor is because of a circle, because of some friends or some people, make a change. Eliminate it. Because of a negative friend, replace it with positive friend. I know this is harsh, I know this is hard for you to do it, but this is a must for you to change. You cannot stay rich in a poor family. You cannot stay rich into a poor community. You better become the poor in a rich community. You better become the negative one in a very positive community. Okay, so that your energy will be changed by them. You can shift by them. Okay? Number 4, reconstruct. After you have eliminated all the obstacles, try to reconstruct your brain. Try to replace the old mindset with new mindset. Have faith. This is the part you need to have faith. You need to have faith that you're willing to put in a new mindset to replace the old one. Very easy to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go make a change. Go do it. Take action. Okay, today or tonight or tomorrow, take out your notebook, sit down, close your door, get your notebook, write 2 full pages of things. What are who you are? Do you understand where they come from? Eliminate it. What are you going to do? And then put in a new mindset. Okay? You are the designer of your life. The same process again. You are the designer of your life. First, you need to have a blueprint. You need to change your remote control. After you change your remote control, you have a better pens, you have better paints, you're going to enjoy your whole life. Okay? Exercise. I'm going to show you an exercise. Yeah, exercise. Okay? You can do this. First, put your left hand on your heart. Do it together, okay? Do it together. Put your left hand on your heart. Okay? And then another hand on your brain. Point it to it. Okay? Pumping your heart and say, I'm the creator of my life. 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 Say it out. I'm the creator of my life. I'm the creator of my life. Okay? And then point to your brain and say, this is a rich brain. I have the rich mindset. 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 Do this every day whenever you can. I'm the creator of my life. I have the rich mindset. I'm the creator of my life. I'm the rich mindset. I have the creator of my life. I have a rich mindset. Brainwash your mind. Brainwash your things. Use your heart to brainwash your mind. Do it together. Okay, again. I'm the creator of my life. I have a rich mindset. I'm the creator of my life. I have a rich mindset. Just do it. Very simple.